What's up guys? Today we're going to make one common Filipino budget meal recipe, tortang talong or eggplant omelette. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. So let's start. First, we have to grill the eggplant until its skin starts to wrinkle. Meanwhile, we have to mince the onion and the garlic. So apart from this recipe is not costly, this is also quick and very easy. So after mincing the garlic and the onion, we have to beat the eggs and add the minced garlic and onions in it and season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And you can actually add other seasonings as you wish. If you want it to be spicy, you can add chili. Then we have to add a tablespoon of flour. So our eggplant is done. We have to remove the skin using the edge of the fork, and we have to flatten it using fork again, making sure that the flesh is not removing from the stem. And after flattening it, we have to add the egg mixture on it and soak it for about 5 minutes. So for the list of ingredients and the steps, guys, I'm going to write it down in the description box below. So now it is ready. Then we have to fry it on our preheated pan to low to medium fire, so it will not burn. Ta-da! Your eggplant omelette or tortang talong is ready for your cravings. Delicious, I am Apolicious. Thank you so much for watching.